So this is the UPLUS EB7-3 12 volt 6 amp hour battery. I bought this battery to replace my scooter's battery because I actually had a lithium ion battery in there which I want to take out and put this battery in because I'm selling that scooter and I want to keep my lithium ion battery. So hopefully this AGM, which means it's a completely sealed battery for scooters and motorcycles, would work as advertised in my scooter. And first thing first, I'm gonna test the voltage fresh from Amazon. I bought this yesterday on Amazon. It shipped to me today. And it only costs $20. The actual replacement battery, the genuine battery for my Piaggio, costs around $80 shipped. So this is a great value, okay, at only $20 if it works properly. So let's go measure the voltage. And I'm using my trusty M-Probe AM570 voltmeter, multimeter. Now it's measuring at 12.8, which is a very healthy voltage for a brand new battery. Okay, so just a quick example, I'm going to show you another battery that's about 1 year old, also fully charged. And this is a 1 year old battery, 12 volt as well, fully charged. Now I didn't buy this on Amazon, I bought this at my local Battery Plus. But as you can see, this is a much larger size battery for my different bikes as opposed to my scooter. The scooter uses the tiny one, motorcycle uses a much larger one. But this one just to show you the degradation of the battery voltage fully charged is at 12.71. So a 0.1 volt degradation after a year of use, which is actually normal. But that just proves that this battery is newer. And let's see the manufacturing date. August 18th of 2024. And that's my assumption. That's a manufacturing date. So yeah, it is as advertised, and let's go and put this in my scooter and try to see if it actually starts up the scooter. And I forgot to show you guys that the battery came with a protective cover on the positive and negative terminal, as well as a full set of installation screws for mounting onto your scooter. It also comes with a general user manual, pretty useful information in here. It actually advertise or suggests for me to fully charge it on a battery tender before installing it to my scooter. So I'm going to go ahead and charge the battery fully on my battery tender for a few hours before the installation. All right, so I just installed the battery in the Fly 150 and I tested it and it works great. So I would say this is a great value for anybody that's looking for an affordable scooter battery to use. Okay, so let's see. All right, so the last step for me is I just need to put the screws back on there, put the cover back on there. As you can see, I took my original battery out there to put this new battery in there. All right, so again, hope you guys found this review helpful in helping you make a decision on whether you should buy this particular battery for your scooter or not. But I think for $20, you just cannot go wrong for this battery. Okay, so thanks again, guys. See you in the next video. Take care.